What? Who's this, baby? Who's this? Who is it? Who is it? Tell us, who is it? Oh no.
Bum 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 bum.
Let's see how this is. What is your race name?
Aiden.
Look how fast he's going. Who is this crazy man laughing over here? Huh?
Ew, you can see your nose here.
Look at this little mater.
Mom, can I show them what I got?
What did you get? Show us what you got. What is that?
I got a
Smooshy Mooshy! Smooshy Mooshy! Movie
I hope I got
munchies!
that one because it's very good. I got licorice and a turtle and a hot dog. Well,
What are you most excited about?
Tell
us.
I'm most excited about opening.
Opening it? What do you think? Which one is going to be your favorite one? Tell us.
Is these two
Those two.
in this one.
What are their names? Pixie Popcorn and what is it? Tilly Turtle. Tilly Turtles.
You know, watch these on our videos.
Huh? I can't hear you.
Fantastic Four.
What? I did not understand a word you said.
And I also got mix and match Squishy like slime alpha.
Let me see.
I put beads inside.
Let me see. A little bit closer.
I'm gonna open it.
I think you gotta twist it off. Oh wow! Look at that. How does it feel like?
It feels kind of hard.
Is it gooey?
Yeah.
Look, there he goes.
Mom, Lightning McQueen's later. He's brown. Like,
Lightning McQueen's red.
yeah.
Oh, I thought Lightning McQueen and Vader's the same person.
Mom,
Sorry,
we gotta
Aiden
open
boy.
those toys on Fantastic Four.
Oh, really?
Don't.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set, go! Woo! How fast was that? How many miles were you going? Tell us.
I don't know.
You don't know how many miles you went?
No.
Really, Aiden? How many miles was that?
900.
900?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or 100.
Hi, little Romy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, wow, look at that. Let's see how fast the wheels go. Go, go, go. Baby. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, it's okay. Uh-oh. Got stuck? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, baby. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, let's look at this little girl. She's opening her new gift. Let's see what you got.
My mom and dad got the gift for Mom. Mom! I actually got it!
What'd you get?
I got the dog. I got like something.
Is that sushi?
I don't know.
What is it? No, it's
That's a sandwich. That's a sandwich. There's a hot dog on it. I got a corn dog. I got like a smoothie. I got tomato ketchup.
not. Tomato ketchup.
No, that's
Mm.
I got 3D
3D glasses. Oh, these are a movie
Ice-
set. Oh,
Ice cream.
obviously it says movie
Popcorn.
munchies. Look. Aiden's gonna help her open her little gift.
Oh, this is so nice. I'll open.
Let me see, let me see, let me
I
see.
got the popcorn.
How cute. Popcorn.
or slow rising. And we got
What you got?
corn
What's that?
dog.
What's that?
A corn dog with
Oh, it
mustard
has a
on
little
it.
face on there.
Yeah, yes.
What's his
corn dog.
name? What's his name? Let me
Oh,
see. What is it? Cassie the corn dog.
look, it's not a squishy.
That is
Oh, you can
tomato ketchup.
You put all the squishies in this one.
Oh, cool.
Look at this one.
Where's that?
Oh, this is
Where'd you get?
I don't know.
What is that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's go find the name. Turn it around. Turn it around. I can't see the face. Okay, go find the name. Go find the name.
Doggy. And we can put
Where is it?
right here.
Oh, what does it say? What does it say? Peta Pop.
Peta.
Is it Peta Pop?
Yeah, peta.
Peta Pop or Peta Pop? Whatever that is.
And then we got the 3D glasses. So cute.
Cool.
Look inside.
They're ready to go to bed. Red. Oh, cool. It gives us a little filter. Do it again. Let me see. What do you guys like? Red or blue? Comment below.
Mom,
Blue? You like blue?
A popcorn.
Popcorn. Let me see. Hold it. Close, close, close. Oh, that is a popcorn. What's his name? He's so cute.
Does it say on here?
No, it says popcorn. Let's go find it. Let's go find it.
Right.
Is it Carmella corn?
Yeah. Come
Aw, how cute. It's so tiny.
Look. Wait.
What's that, baby?
There.
Let's see what it is. Show us. Show us the little name. Hello. Aw, how cute. Let's find the name, baby. That's called Lulu Licorice. Lulu Licorice.
Yeah.
What is that?
Lulu Licorice. It tells you what their name is.
I know. Oh, I was reading off the box. Oh, good job, Adelie.
I told you all the accessories name.
Okay, what else do you guys want to show us?
And look, and also like it gives you like the little drawings. You could draw and then you color it.
Cool. Romeo, you're having fun over there? Yeah? Do you like squishies? Yeah? Aww. He said he likes squishies. Let me feel it. Aw, it's squishy.
This one's so squishy. So this one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, yeah, this is squishy. There you go.
Not that. Which was your favorite? This one's my favorite.
Which one's your favorite? Show us.
This one is my favorite. I like the mini one. This dog one is my favorite.
Which one? That's a dog? I thought it was a bear.
No, it can be a coyote.
Pixie popcorn. Oh, that is a dog. It's popcorn.
I like dogs a lot. That's why. The pencil's cute. Mom, but the eyes are different. Popcorn. Comment down below if you like popcorn. And also comment down below what's your favorite food in the movie theater. Popcorn.
Oh, yeah, that's
Popcorn.
right.
Where's the corn dog? Look, I'm drinking some hot popcorn.
Oh, cool. You guys got so many cool toys. Hi, Romy. Hello. Fishy? Uh-oh. Baby got booger. You gotta clean your
Mom,
booty.
this one's so soft. Mom, these can be keychains. Mom, only if you make clothing here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, squishy. Oh, you know how to say their name? Oh, squishy.
Mom, this one's so softer.
He's so cute.
Feel it, Mom.
Squishies?
I'll feel this one. This one's
What is that? This is the turtle. Here you go.
It's a slow rise.
What is it?
A slow rise.
Slow rise. They have name for that? Oh, so cute, baby.
I want to see
You guys want to go show your followers how you guys ride your new roller coaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Okay, ready, set, go! Oh, that's cool. That's nice. comment down below if you guys want one of those.
Okay, let's go. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Ready, get set, go! Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it?
Me?
It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Are you for reals?
It's my turn.
Go, Aiden! Go, Aiden! Woo! Okay, how fast was that?
Rizzy has it. 100. Where's the licorice?
Show your dad some dance moves.
I'm gonna go one more time.
Okay, go. Go, 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 go! How fast was that, Aiden?
More than 100.
More than 100 miles per hour? 1,000 miles per hour.
More than 100. 1,000.
That was fast then. Emma's turn?
Yeah, it's your turn.
Emma, go, go, go. We want to see you right there. Let's see how fast you go. Go, Emma. Woo! Okay, how fast did you go? Tell us.
I think 50.
50 miles per hour? Okay. Aiden said Aiden went 1,000 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Okay, go, go, go. Go, write it, and then tell us how fast you went. How fast was that, Aiden? How fast did you go, Aiden? What?
I think this much on the box.
What is
On
that?
this box.
150 miles per hour?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was fast. Okay, Adelie, your turn.
Ready, set, let's go. Woo! That was fast.